What is up, guys? God bless you all and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna have some fun on the Nissan Sentra. So yeah, the day is finally here and I was able to actually come to test and tune on the Sentra. I already got tech done, I have my helmet, I got my fire jacket ready. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go to the lanes and I have to come alone. I didn't have nobody to come with me, but I have camera somewhere right here and I have another one right here. So I hope those camera make justice and I'm gonna do my best to record and make an awesome video. So yeah, let's go to the lines. But before we go to the lines, I want to take a moment to give a huge shout out to Jose. You guys can see his car on the screen right now, and all you have to do is just to send your pictures to my email, which is right there, and you could be the lucky one. So yeah, shout out to Jose, and now let's go back to the video. All right, it's now or never. Let's go. Thank you. So the car actually overheated a little on that one. We actually run 1753 at 84 miles. So yeah, let me take a look at a few things and then we go from there. Let's go. All right, so we went ahead and we had the first hit. The car overheated a little. I don't know what actually happened, but since I got here, I've been having issue with my laptop that doesn't want to start up. So I'm just right now waiting for my laptop to start up so I can take a look at the data and start actually data logging. But yeah, the first hit was actually 17 seconds. The 60 foot sucked. I'll show you right now. Hopefully you guys can see it right there. So I got a 60 foot of 2.9 and I dropped 17.5 at 84 miles an hour. So yeah, let me look at what's going on with this computer right now because I need this to work. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and get for the lines and go from there. All right, so I'm here trying to figure out the issue with the laptop, but saw a few cars passing by that they're cool, so hopefully you guys can see them. Alright, so I'm having issue with the laptop and I cannot open the Nissan software. Seems like I'm gonna probably do another test and another hit and see what happens, but right now I'm a little bit upset that I cannot open anything and I cannot make any changes to the tune.
If you want to get into that gamblers race, now's the time to start lining up in lanes 9 and 10. 9 and 10 for the gamblers race.
I'm gonna do one more hit. If the car overheats, I'm going home. I don't know. I'm upset right now. So, well, we're going next. If the car doesn't overheat, we'll be good. If it overheats, I'm gonna go home. Go. Thank you. So we actually run 1622 at 86 miles. I got a 60-foot 255. I'm gonna actually put a picture so you guys can see it. But yeah, the big issue that I'm having is that this Motronic doesn't want to open in the laptop. But yeah, at least I have my phone so I can see my data on these pass. We didn't overheat like the first one, and let's see if we can actually lower that 60-foot and see if we can run a little deeper. Right now we're trapping at 86 miles, which is not horrible. But yeah, little by little, it's my second pass in like 5-6 years. So yeah, let's go. Let's see if we run a better time this time. Thank you. $16.3 at 86. I mean, for sure, I got him on the lie. I tell you that right now. $177 air temperature, IATR are 80 degrees. It's getting better. Probably I'm gonna do one more hit, and then that's gonna be for this video, because I have to drive up an hour and a half. Thanks.
You're welcome.
All right, let's see. $16.4. Keep now. We're going lower and lower and lower. $85. I've been shifting about 6,000 because every time I go to 7,000, it's just like it feels weird. All right, let's go. Thank you. All right. 1656, 83 miles an hour. Yuck. So I'm gonna park the car. I'm gonna see if I can see expectations of the races, and that should be all for today. All right, so the car actually did 5 runs today, and I'm very happy. The car is still in one piece. Right now, we have the last race of the night, so at least you guys can see something.
You got your money on a pickup, you got your money on a 57 cent. 80s Silverado pickup. I'm guessing it's a 350. Or it used to be. I know there's a slow walk in the 57 Chevy for slower. Red light start for Jerry. Gets the win with Todd Briano. Becky put the jigs on Jerry tonight.
Right, so there you guys have it. I did 5 passes today on the Sentra. 4 of them was 16 seconds, low 16, so I have a lot to improve as a driver and also as a tuner. My laptop doesn't working, so I couldn't do much, but yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. So yeah, guys, there you guys have it. Today we have a track day on the Sentra, and honestly I'm happy because I drove an hour and a half to the track. I did 5 passes, 4 of them was low 16 seconds, which I know we can improve, but I'm looking forward for the next track day. And yeah, now I have to drive back home for an hour and a half, and honestly I'm very happy with how the car performed today. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, send you car pictures to my email, consider becoming a member, and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and God bless you all.